Would you want to travel on the rocky surface of a planet? Or would you want to tour an alien planet? Or just you can visit a new universe? What are your plans? I want to tell you that traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second, which is the speed of light, probably won't help you. Our universe is so big and the distances are much large. Let me clear you. The diameter of our own galaxy is about 100,000 light years, and we are located somewhere around 28,000 light years from the galactic center, which means even if we travel with the speed of light, it would take 28,000 years to reach the center. This will not work for a short trip, right? So get buckle up, folks. We are gonna travel in the fastest route ever possible for a visit trip, the wormholes. Even if we remove all the matter in the universe, there is something left which is eternal, called space. Not only space alone, but with time together makes up the universe. Space-time is a fabric, which is tangible. It can be torn apart and can be patched together. Any of these would result into a magic of madness, called the wormhole. A wormhole is a path which connects two different places in the universe, which might be billions of light years away. In a normal way, you can't even reach to that place in the universe. But with a wormhole, you can even achieve speeds faster than light and may reach its destination instantaneously. According to general relativity, wormholes can be possible, but if it is mathematically proven, that doesn't mean they should exist. There are different kinds of wormholes possible. An Einstein-Rosen bridge is a typical black hole. This theory came up with an idea that all the matter that is absorbed by the infinite gravity of a black hole might eventually thrown back into a universe where time might run backwards, and the ejecting part of the bridge is called white hole. But actually, an Einstein-Rosen bridge cannot be crossed. It takes infinite amount of time to reach from one end to other. So, if you enter into a black hole, you end up dying. In order to visit the places in the universe in a blink, we should need another kind of wormholes. According to the string theory, our universe is made of particles which are very smaller than the subatomics, called strings. And if this is right, we are lucky that our universe has huge number of traversable wormholes connecting various points in universe, created shortly after the Big Bang, just waiting to be discovered. One might even closer than we realize. There might be another hard way. We could create a wormhole ourselves. To be traversable and useful, there are some properties wormhole should possess. Number 1. They must connect the distant point in the universe. Number 2. They should be sufficiently large enough to transport things in one part. Number 3. They have to retain for longer periods of time without collapsing. Here, the main problem arises. Wormholes are pretty unstable and collapse within no time. We require the energy which withstands the instability of wormhole and makes it up to live for longer time. Here comes the exotic matter. Unlike the normal matter and antimatter, which are attractive in nature, exotic matter repels everything. In the universe, quantum fluctuations are happening every moment of time, creating matter and antimatter, which would annihilate each other the very next moment. With the right time, right technology and right place, we can able to alter the situation, resulting into the exotic matter. The exotic matter requires lot more pressure greater than the pressure at the core of the neutron star to keep the wormhole open. It might be interesting while creating a wormhole, but a wormhole can cause severe time paradoxes, which can alter the very existence of our universe. Thank you for watching another video of Strictly the Science. If you like this video, consider hitting the like button. If you love this video, consider sharing, and don't forget to subscribe.